First off, praise to the Most High. Glorious you and you are the ruler, it's in you that my hope lies. Faux guy, no lie, no bite, I don't play both sides. Been so down with the windows down, truth music blowing at the whip so loud you repent when I roll by.
Good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever you are, here you are. Today we're jumping onto the party bus. I'm going to do the upgrade from the E series or EB series, all the front pulleys, harmonic belts, all those things. The alternator's dead, so none of that's even working. Power steering's dead as well, so we're going to put hopefully AU stuff into it. So I've never done it, I don't know anyone that's done it, I don't really research stuff, I just try and do it. So that's what we're going to do, we're going to give it a go. I've got all the parts, don't know if we'll get it all done in this video, but we'll give it the best shot what we've got time for today. So let's jump into it. Alright guys, so we just stopped the time lapse just to give you a little show. I don't know if you can see it in the time lapse. Just kind of what we have to remove. So with this, the power steering pump on this is different to the AU, the alternator, the water pump, the harmonic balancer, even the AC is different. We're actually just going to do an AC. We're going to do an AC delete bracket. So just thought I'd show you the radiator is going to get changed. I'm pretty sure I'll have to do an E series of EF radiator with the fan. We're going to go thermo fans. So water pump is different as well. So the water pump, alternator, power steering, all those things in the front. We'll probably fix it oily because it's disgusting. We'll fix that all up, get that moving. Also, if you got, depending how this goes, because I don't know how it's going from this point, the bottle for this, the bottom hose will have to be changed as well because the outlet on the radiator is on the side rather than to the back. So that will be that. So we'll just continue along, keep whipping it out. Everything off the front except the AC. Just do it another time so we can steam gas it. 200 degrees, it's just so dirty. But these are just kind of the things we pulled off. So we've got the hose, the fan, the brackets, alternative water pump, other brackets that hold. There's actually a lot of brackets on these. I'm like, oh, alright. Power steering pump, radiator, and shroud. So all that will be essentially getting checked out. They've got new water pump, radiator, alternator, all those things, so they're all going to go on for that durability. So catch us on the next video. That'll be all for this one, just because time's of the essence for today particularly. So yeah, catch the next one. We'll be fitting it all up, give you a list of what you need to do, so upgrade all your EB, ED, all those things that have that type of setup. Just catch you on the next one. Be sure to give us a comment, let us know how you feel. Cheers.